This is the cheat code of affiliate marketing. I'm going to share two mistakes that literally everyone makes, especially beginners in affiliate marketing, that stop them from making $1,000 to $5,000 per day per sale. And I'm not a guru, I'm just a product vendor who has all detailed data that I'm about to share with you. What you see here is my profile in Warrior Plus. You can see I'm a product creator, product owner, and I have 42,000 followers. Mostly they are my customers, and 146,000 unit sales, and I have 49 products on Warrior Plus. And these are, sorry, not this. These are my affiliate stats, not this one. This is my account summary, all right? I think you cannot see me, right? Let me show 1 second. Now you can see fully, right? Okay. I have made $5.4 million selling my own programs, my own products. And total unit sales, as you can see, 146,000. And as an affiliate myself, I promoted other people's products and earned $0.7 million. These data are only from this account, and I'm not showing my other Warrior Plus accounts, other JVZoo accounts, ClickBank and Digistore accounts. This is only for your knowledge. So this is for only from this account, okay? You can see this is Mosh Bari, it's my live account, all right? This is my live page. Now let's go and share the mistakes. And of course, the data that no one else can share with you. This is the dashboard that I told you about. No one else can share with you. No one else can show you. It's because it's only available in the vendor's account, in product creator's account. On the left-hand side, you see the affiliates, and I have 16,000 affiliates who promoted my products. So I have all their data. So I know exactly what mistakes beginners make, what mistakes professionals make, how professionals make a lot of money, and how beginners don't make money. So let's go to the next slide so I can highlight on what to focus on. We will focus on these three columns. Instead of going through all this data, or very confusing, we'll focus on these three columns, and we will start with these two columns. As you can see, the red column is called clicks. So what is clicks? Clicks means clicks with your mouse. You see, when we navigate, when we browse internet, we use our mouse to click on the links. And when we browse with our phone, we tap on the links to browse through different links, right? Now, in affiliate marketing, every affiliate has their own unique link to promote any product. Every affiliate has a unique link. And when a visitor clicks on that link with their mouse or tap with their phone, that click is recorded in the platforms like Warrior Plus, as you can see. These are clicks. These clicks are also called traffic or visitors. I'm a visitor, that's why I could click with my mouse or tap with my phone, right? Okay, we understand this so far. So you can see that these clicks generate sales. What means is, when I click on a link and then I purchase as a customer, the affiliate make affiliate commissions. All these are recorded here, and all this data is recorded. Now let's go to focus on clicks and revenue. We understand one thing: more clicks equals more money. That is what traditional affiliate marketing says, which means you send more visitors, more traffic, you make more money. So if you ask professionals, or even if you have a little experience, most people will say the main problem of making money online is traffic. Oh my God, I don't have traffic. But I will show you, traffic is not the biggest problem. There are two other problems that are stopping you from making money. So there is one more column, and that's called dollar per click. It is nothing new. It's just the average of how much money being generated from one click. So total amount of money divided by the number of clicks is dollar per click. Now this column is very important to predict how much money I can make from promoting this product. I'll give you an example. Look at this. All these affiliates, these are top affiliates by the way, top affiliates, they earned starting from $1 to $3 maximum, which means for one click or one visitor they sent to their affiliate link, they earned $1.451 to $3.83, something like that. That is the limit of income. But they still know that, yeah, if I send 1,000 visitors, I will make $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000. If I send 5,000 visitors or clicks, I will make this much money. So that was it. But there are some smart people who are making money, a lot of money, 4 times to 8 times more money than these affiliates. For example, Ashley Perry, who's my partner in the program. So Ashley used to do something different, and that's called product review videos on YouTube. And he used to do something called launch jacking. Now it's a total different subject all by itself. So I'm not going there. I'm going straight to what Ashley used to do. Ashley used to earn $8 per click. So it's literally 4 times to 8 times more than average affiliates, right? Another promotion, he earned $12 per click. So what did he used to do? He used to make product review videos. Now, Ashley is a British guy, and making product review videos like him is no easy task. He is fluent in English. It's his first language, right? He is native. And he is charismatic. He speaks very fluent, very nice, straightforward. He would explain what the product is very easily and easy to understand, very nicely, charismatic way. And he would promote his bonus. If somebody purchased from his affiliate links, he will offer some exclusive bonus. And then he would use that sales tactics in the video to make the sales faster. And that is how he was making all these money, right? $8 per click to $12 per click, crazy. So that looked like another 9 to 5 that literally no beginner can do every single day, but Ashley was doing every single day, making 14 minutes video, 12 minutes long video, 15 minutes long video, and closing sales like this. So yeah, I am telling you this because I had faced this problem recently. You know who I am. I made millions of dollars, but when I started a recent promotion of a high ticket program, I made 2 sales, $2,000 immediately, and I was confident. And then what happened? Crickets. No sales were coming in. So here's what happens when nothing happens. We get depressed and we look for other depressed or sad people like this, right? We look for this kind of people. And we sit with this kind of people and we talk to this kind of people, sad, frustrated. And they try to, we all try to put the blame on someone else. The product is bad, the offer is bad, the vendor is bad, everything is bad, the traffic sucks, everything sucks. I'm the best one and I'm trying my best and I'm not making money. So I started to do that. Then I thought that, hey, come on, I was doing wrong. I should look at the winners. Look at how winners look like. How awesome they are, right? When you start hanging out the winners and champs, you start thinking differently. So I started to look for someone that's called Ashley Perry, and he was living a nomad lifestyle, promoting the same offer, high ticket offer. So I reached out to Ashley. Hey, bro, what are you doing? How are you making so much money that I can't make? I have so much experience, but I can't. Ashley said, I am visiting Dubai. Why not you come over and let's have a chat? So I went there and visited Ashley in Dubai. And Ashley showed me that his students are making a crazy amount of money. Like Colby was making $10,000 in just 1 month. Yeah, Colby made $1,000, $10,000 in 30 days without creating product, without shipping, without paid traffic, without experience, while working at 9 to 5. Interesting, right? So we sat together and we thought, why not we make a program for beginners, for experts, for students, for business owners, 9 to 5 employees, the people who love their jobs, people who hate their jobs, and people who are struggling to make $10,000 and extra $10,000 per month. And we will share everything in our free video, free training. And then we will have something for the serious people so they can join our program and get us to build 99, to work for them and build their business 99% done for you. So let's do something like that. So I invited Ashley to my home in Abu Dhabi, or home office, and he visited us in Abu Dhabi. He came to my office 3 days in a row, and this is what he did in 3 days. He started in the morning recording. We had a lunch break. Then he recorded again. Then he had ice cream mastermind with my son. This is joking. I mean, my son and he had a good time together. Then finalized, and end of the day, like 9 to 10 p.m., I dropped him to his Airbnb. And during this daytime, we sat together and we planned how to make it so simple, so easy, so awesome. And in the meantime, Ashley's other students like Andreas, he made $15,000 in just 30 days. So the awesomeness going on. And I asked Ashley that, hey, what's the problem? Why am I not making money? So Ashley asked me, what are you doing with your promotions? How are you promoting? And I told him all this story. Hey, we take care of this, we take care of clicks, dollar per click, etc., etc. More clicks equals more money. Ashley said, look, I used to do this and I used to make money like this, promoting these products on Warrior Plus. But later, I couldn't go through this another 9 to 5 job. This was enough for me. I was done. So I started doing something different. So I asked what was different. He said there was 2 problems. Problem number 1, you are thinking like you're promoting a low ticket offer. So you need to change your thoughts. So I said, what do I do? He said, look at this, do this. So I did that. I followed Ashley's idea. I'm going to share that in a moment. Okay. And I started making this much money, same as Ashley. Look, dollar per click became $8 and dollar per click became $8 for 2 promotion on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And this was not about sending clicks, very low number of clicks, and I made a lot of money. Look at this, $27,000, $15,000 from a very low number of clicks. And I literally from 1,000 clicks, I made $8,000. From 2,000 clicks, I made $16,000, something like that. So what was different? Difference was this. These 2 products were high ticket offers. They were not low ticket offers. They were not $27, $17, $80, $90 products. They are $1,000 to $2,000 products. So the commission was 50%, a high commission. This was $800 commission. It was $900 commission. $1,000 commission. That made the profitability through the roof. And with very less amount of traffic, very less amount of effort, we made so much money. Now, the problem number 3 that Ashley highlighted was this. This is how an affiliate dashboard looks like generally. You have all this data, how many clicks you send, how many sales you made, what's the conversion, what's the dollar per click, and what's the dollar per sale you're making, right? And total commissions you're making, all this data. If you have this data, then you can compare which promotion is making you money. Look at this. All these promotions were low dollar per sale, maximum $35 per sale. So the commissions were low compared to the clicks. Here also, look at this. the dollar per sale were low, and that's why the commissions were low, even sending a lot of clicks. But when the dollar per sale was high, which is like product price was high, in both cases, I made a lot of money. Now the second problem was this. I was promoting an offer that was hiding all the data. The dashboard looked like this. Now tell me, after knowing all this, will you promote anything like this kind of dashboard, where all the data is hidden? You don't see anything. Look at this. You don't see anything at all. So what would you do? You have nothing to do because the vendor is hiding all the information. I'm not saying they're good people or bad people. This is how they manage their business. It's their problem. Or maybe this is working for them. But for affiliates, this is completely hazy, blurry, completely hidden, and you don't know which promotion is making you money or not, how many clicks you are sending or not, how much dollar per click you are earning or not, and how much dollar you're earning per sale or nothing. Totally hidden. Now you have zero control. And second thing was about cookie. It's a little advanced that I don't want to confuse you about this. This is Warrior Plus and JVZoo. They have a cookie system. So I don't want to go deep into that. This cookie system is when people click your link and buy from you, you will earn commission. If that visitor doesn't buy from you and go to another affiliate and click from their link, they will get the commission. It is pretty simple and universally accepted. But this one was like, it is a so-called universal cookie, which means if a visitor clicks your link first time, then he will be cookied for life. It is so-called. There is no proof that it is actually happening. But in any case, it's completely non-transparent, completely blurry, completely hidden information. So promoting this kind of offer will pretty much guarantee your failure because you have no data what's going on with your effort, the traffic you are sending to the offer. So two things to learn from here, two mistakes that a lot of people make that you should not make. Number one, you should not promote only, again, you can promote and you should promote low ticket offers because a lot of your customers will not have the ability to buy high ticket offers, but they will buy low ticket offers. It happens to me every single day. So you should promote low ticket and high ticket both. At the same time, you should promote only transparent offers and transparent vendors or transparent product owners. Then only you know what's going on and you will be able to tweak your promotion or go back and think about what's working and what's not working, what you should do about your promotion, how you can improve, and how you can make more money. And in my opinion, this is my personal opinion and my personal choice. You can do whatever you want. It's your business and your decision. But my personal choice, my personal opinion, and this beginners should never do that. They should never promote a blurry product or a product that an offer that hides information from them, like the left one. Okay, that's it. And if you think that we can help you, there is a link somewhere near this video, maybe in the bio. If you're watching from TikTok and Instagram, if you're watching from YouTube, then the link will be in the description, in the first comment. On Facebook, it will be on the first comment. And if you're watching from my website, then the link will be somewhere near this video, somewhere. I'll put there. Click that link and find our offer. We will do 99% of the work for you to help you make $1,000 to $5,000 a day. Yeah, that's it. Go ahead and we'll see you inside.